If you love mushroom, taupe, and beige textures that already feel coordinated, keep watching. This 5-piece fabric bundle of 8 by 10-inch cuts builds into a much richer reveal as each piece comes forward. It includes 100% linen weave, and this is a sheer. Look at that. Okay, it has a variation in the thickness of the weave, which is typical of linen, like right here. Here, that's the back. Either side, you can use either side. Okay, this is in a beige color and pairs nicely with this basket weave, which is a cotton basket weave. Look at the texture, isn't that nice? This is in a mushroom color. Okay, there's the thickness of it. It's not too thick. Kind of a medium weight. These two work really well together. Okay, this piece here is a boucle fabric. Look at the loop in the weave. That's a lot of texture there. A nice kind of beigey light taupe color. Look at that. Let's put that with this bundle. See how it's building out? Look at those. This piece right here. Now this is a faux leather in a mini reptile type pattern. I'll give you a good close-up of that. Look at that. It's not too thick. Kind of like a felt backing. Okay. Isn't that beautiful? Let's put that with this. It's coming together nicely. Look at that. Look at those colors. Look at this textures. Really nice. And this piece right here, nice piece here, is a velvet. Very nice velvet. And it's a short pile, but it's very dense. So when I put my fingernail through it, you still cannot see the base. So this is a good piece. That's what it looks like from the side angle. It's the back. Kind of like a slight coating on the back. Nice beige color. But plush. Short but plush. Let's put that in. And this bundle is ready for your next project. If you like this palette, the link is in the description below.